Are we? Come close. Let's talk. I know you are asking that, okay, I should promote my book. Yes, I always tell you to promote your book. And you're asking, what exactly will this result to? I will tell you today. By promoting your book, this will happen to you and your book. 1, good sales. By promoting your book, of course, you're going to make more money. It's not enough for you to write a book and just keep it. You want to make more money. And if you promote the right way, you are going to make more sales and, of course, more money. You get it?
If you don't get it, forget about it.
2, building an audience. The more you promote your book, the more you build a community of people that will be interested in you and your work. Maybe not just because of the book, and also for subsequent products you may want to release later. All right. So promoting your book would help you to build the right audience that will be interested in you and your services. 3, credibility. By promoting your book, you gain people's trust and you are credible. So you want to do it. You want to come out. You want to show up every day to talk about your book. If you can't promote it, if you don't believe in it, how do you want us to believe in it? So you need it. Promote it to gain people's trust. 4, networking. By promoting your book, you get to meet like-minded, authors, and of course, that way you are able to share ideas. You're able to increase your network, and this will have ripple effects not just on your book and maybe on other things that you do. 5th, visibility. By coming out, talking about your book, being intentional about promoting it would help you gain visibility. And right now, they say content is king. But I tell you, visibility is the master of the game right now. It's going to add up to many things. Your product and all of that will gain the right attention it needs. All right. You want to thank me?
Thank you.
What are friends for? But do one thing for me. Like, share, comment, and follow this page for more.